It's on?
Yeah. Dude, that thing is quiet.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be installing the lift pump on the LOI. And who are we here with today?
Armando.
Putting you on the spot. Yeah, we got Armando here with Elite Innovations. Make sure to hit them up, follow them on Instagram. If you're in Augusta, if you're near Augusta or really anywhere in South Carolina and need diesel stuff done as well as like suspension work, give them a call, give them a shout, and then maybe you can get featured on one of my videos. We'll try to do a how-to step-by-step so that way if you're watching this video, you can follow along. The Airdog, it comes with the brackets as well as some of the fittings, fuel hose or fuel line, and then all the wiring harness to power the Airdog. And then we got the Airdog itself right here. I think I got the 160, what, 165? Oh, here's the bracket. Here's the bracket for the Airdog.
Fixing to go on the truck.
All right, let's do it. We've been struggling with this fuel line for about 30 minutes. It does not want to come out. We struggled with the other one for about 15 minutes too. That's the return line. Took us about good 30 minutes. Not gonna lie, it took us good 30 minutes. And then this is a line that came from Airdog. Where's that going?
This, we're gonna clip it right here. It's gonna go into the fuel.
Okay.
It's gonna go through the water separator, back to the filtration, and out between fuels to the engine.
So another line is gonna go from the line that we disconnected up here, and then it's gonna go to this side. There it goes.
Run straight into that one.
Perfect. And then this line, where is this line going?
To your gas, your fuel neck.
My fuel neck. All right.
Well, I wasn't gonna stay long.
You were at the lake?
Yeah.
Oh, we got Cam with the Ram here stopping by.
What's up, guys?
Then we'll do the Goon Squad edits. Sick, son.
Bro, that's sick. Dude, look at those wires, bro. Those are sick wires, bro.
All the way up.
And then we'll tuck the extra wire under the hood.
All right.
First, let's make sure it starts. What size is it?
This?
Yep.
Probably, I don't know, 12, 13, 10 maybe? Would be the TBC ignition right there. So theoretically, it's all good.
Yeah. So we gotta
Pump it.
pump it. Mike, drain fuel on the floor.
Huh?
Gotta get the air out.
Alright. Alright, so what are you guys just gonna loosen up the filter?
Yep. Turn the key on.
I don't hear the pump. It's on?
Dude, that thing is quiet.
That's why I like the fast.
Compared to the
Airdog.
fast. Dude, that thing is quiet. You couldn't even hear it turn on.
That's why I like the Airdog over fast.
Alright. That's good.
Oh, the air's out?
Yeah.
Should I start it?
Yeah. Turn it back off and prime it again.
Are you sure it's on?
Yeah.
Oh wow, okay, now I hear it. Dang, that thing is so quiet compared to the fast.
Give it a turn.
Alright, turn on.
Yeah.
There you go.
It might cut off.
Huh?
It may cut off.
May cut off?
If they don't get fuel,
Yeah.
they have air in it. So we disconnected it. No, we just gotta clean up the wiring. You know what I'm going with?
Huh?
I'm going with Airdog net.
You're going with Airdog neck? But I don't think Airdog makes one for L5P yet, do they?
Fast.
So just wait.
I love fast.
Yeah.
I've always used fast. But that was quiet.
Airdog, if you're watching this, please make a lift pump for the L5P so Armando can get it. Fast lift pump on Holden's L5P is loud. Just look at that finishing touch. He'll go over and clean everything off. What a guy. What a guy.
Oh.
Yeah, but we just got done installing the lift pump. When we tested earlier, it worked, and then after that, we just hit all the wires, made sure everything was hidden away and looking all pretty and everything. So here she is, and you guys heard it earlier. This thing is super quiet, and that is one of the reasons why I went with Airdog over fast. Eventually, so probably the next video, I'm going to explain why I went with Airdog and basically go over what a lift pump does and why I got a lift pump for my truck. I know you guys saw it earlier, but let's go back and look at the goodies that are about to get installed on this beautiful L5P. Look at that. Make sure to give this video 69 likes. 69 likes, and then I'll do a video on installation of this piping. So if you guys need any kind of diesel work, suspension work, really if you want to make your truck pretty and you live in North Augusta or anywhere in South Carolina, make sure to hit him up, especially if you're in North Augusta though, because I will say Armando is probably the best shop in North Augusta. There's nobody better in North Augusta than Armando.
Come by and see us.
Yep. Don't you agree?
Yes, sir.
I want to say you're the best here. So make sure, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to follow him. How many followers you got on Instagram?
on the business page, about 170, so definitely need to give it a thumbs up.
All right, guys, let's get him to 500 likes. 500 likes on, or 500 followers on his business page. And then follow his personal too, because he's got a beautiful L5P. But stay tuned. I will be doing a video on why you need a lift pump and basically what a lift pump is, and the reason why I chose Airdog over Fast. All right, buddy, I'll see you next time. We got the Airdog. You know what that means. Tune 5. Tune 5. Tune 5 on the way home. I'm gonna test it out. All right, see ya. Oh my God, I'm on Tune 5. I just left Armando's driveway. Oh my gosh, my back wheels were just spinning. Holy cow. Oh my God, I'm on the X game mode. This is insane. Wow. I'm on X game mode, guys. Whoa. My transmission's not gonna like me anymore. I'm gonna have to get some built pretty soon. Enjoy the turbo sound for the next 15 seconds. Wow. Whew, that's fun. Oh my God, it's so much fun. Woo! Well, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I am absolutely loving the Airdog. Up next is I'm gonna be doing some piping from STP, because my EGR is acting up, so I might have to get rid of it. Also, I plan on doing a hood stack just for funsies. So in order for me to be able to put the hood stack, I have to get rid of the factory EGR. So that is all coming up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, because we're gonna be getting some fun content for the LOI pretty soon. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.